In this question, we are asked to give our answer in simplest form, and we've got 6 out of 55 divided by 9 out of 11. Now, please feel free to go back to the multiplication of fractions video if you are at all unsure with this method. As when we are dividing fractions, we use reciprocals, and multiplying by the reciprocal is the same outcome as dividing, okay? So reciprocal means you are switching the top and the bottom. So if we can see here, it's the inverse of 3/4 is 4/3. So we switch them round. So in this case here, we are taking the 9 over 11 and switching it round to become 11 over 9. That then allows us to multiply by that reciprocal. And at this point here, we look to see if we have common factors we can cancel down by to make our calculation easier. We can see here that 11 will go into itself once, and it will go into 55 5 times. Other diagonal, we've got a common factor of 3, which means 3 goes into 6 twice, goes into 9 3 times. There are no other common factors, which means we are left with 2 multiplied by 1 over 5 multiplied by 3. 2 times 1 is 2 over 5 times 3, which is 15. This is our simplest form answer, as no other value goes into it. Press pause while you try this question. Okay, so step 1 is to look for the reciprocal. So this becomes 18 over 6. We can then multiply by the reciprocal. And at this point we are looking top to bottom and diagonally for common factors. We can see that 9 goes into itself once, goes into 18 twice. 2 goes into itself once, goes into 6 3 times. There are no other common factors, so we are left with 1 multiplied by 2 over 1 multiplied by 3. 1 times 2 is 2, over 1 times 3 is 3. This is our simplest form answer.